Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 62, Introduction to Trigonometry, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. There are 4-5 sub-questions to this, we'll solve them. If x equals to a cos cube theta plus and y equals to b sin cube theta, then x upon a raised to 2 by 3 plus y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to, here it's quite simple. First what you do is x and a, bring them together because move towards our goal, towards our target. So x upon a equals to cos cube theta, y upon b equals to sin cube theta, right, from the given question. So what we want, x square. So x upon a the whole raised to, okay, let's do it 1 by 3 because that is also required. X upon a raised to 1 by 3 equals to cos theta, right, cube root on both the sides. Y upon b raised to 1 by 3 equals to sin theta. Okay, now square them. X upon a raised to 2 by 3 equals to cos square theta. Y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to sin square theta. Now add them as given in the question. So what we get, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equals to 1. So that's the answer. Next, fill in the blanks. Again, if x equals to a sec theta cos phi, y equals to b sec theta sin phi, z equals to c tan theta, then x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square equals to, quite easy one. Do this, bring x upon a. So it becomes x upon a equals to sec theta cos phi. A comes over here. Similarly, b comes over here. Y upon b equals to sec theta sin phi. And z upon c equals to tan theta. Okay. So do it as required in the question. Therefore, x upon a the whole square plus y upon b the whole square minus z upon c the whole square equals to, see this, everything will be squared. Sec square theta cos square phi plus sec square theta sin square phi minus tan square phi. Yeah, it should be tan square theta. Okay. So sec square theta into what's bracket, sec square theta comes common, cos square phi plus sin square phi minus this tan square theta as it is. So it becomes sec square theta into, this is 1 minus tan square theta, right, sec square theta minus tan square theta, but that, what is that, that is 1. Why? See these identities, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Okay, so sec square theta minus 1 will be tan square theta. So the required answer is 1. Okay. Next, same, fill in the blanks. If cos a plus cos square a equals to 1, then sin square a plus sin raised to 4a equals to what? See here, cos a plus cos square a equals to 1. Okay, therefore cos a equals to, take cos square a on the other side, 1 minus cos square a. Therefore cos a equals to sin square a, right? Now what we want, what's our target? Sin square a and sin raised to 4a. Therefore cos square a equals to sin raised to 4a, right? Okay, so let's move on. Sin square a, look at what's given in the question. Sin square a plus sin raised to 4a equals to, now what is sin square a? We have just got it, cos a. So cos a plus sin raised to 4a, cos square a, right? But what is cos a plus cos square a? It's given that it's 1. Therefore sin square a plus sin raised to 4a equals to 1. That's what the answer is. Next, if cosec a minus cosec theta minus sin theta equals to L, sec theta minus cos theta equals to M, then L square M square into bracket L square plus M square plus 3 bracket close equals to what? Okay, so what is given as L equals to what? 1 upon sin theta plus minus sin theta. What is 1 upon sin theta? Cosec theta, right? We have converted it to sin theta. So solve this, 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta. But what is 1 minus sin square? Cos square. So L equals to cos square theta upon sin theta. Similarly M, we have solved a similar problem earlier. M equals to 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta, right? So 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta, that is sin square theta upon cos theta. Okay, so we've got m now. Now focus on the target. What is the target? L square m square into bracket L square plus m square plus 3 bracket close. Okay, let's solve. So our expression becomes cos raised to 4 theta upon sin square theta into sin raised to 4 theta upon cos square theta, right? This L square m square. Now into bracket cos raised to 4 theta upon sin square theta plus sin raised to 4 theta upon cos square theta, this m square plus 3, right? Okay. LHS, so not LHS, RHS only. What all gets cancelled? See this, sin square sin raised to 4, cos square cos raised to 4. So sin square theta cos square theta remains on this side. Now inside the bracket, it's one and the same thing. Nothing changes inside the bracket. Okay. So multiply it. What happens next? You can also combine the denominators and then solve. Then also it's easier. Here also you can do the same thing. See here, we multiply this sin square cos square with each of the term inside the bracket, right? We solve the brackets basically. So what it becomes? Sin square gone in first. What remains? Cos raised to 6 plus second term cos square gone, sin raised to 6 theta, right? And in third, nothing gone, 3 sin square theta cos square theta, right? Okay. Next, now this square means what? We'll mark it as what? See this, we'll try to bring this in a cube plus b cube, means cos square theta cube plus sin square theta the whole cube, plus this 3 sin square cos square remains as it is. Okay, so a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? This square bracket, and this 3 sin square cos square remains as it is. Okay, so cos square plus sin square is 1. So inside the square bracket what happens? This is 1 and remains what? Cos raised to 4 minus sin square cos square plus sin raised to 4. Square bracket close, and outside plus 3 sin square cos square as it is, right? So go on solving. 3 sin square cos square, and here it is minus sin square cos square. So they become 2 sin square cos square, and remaining things as it is, cos raised to 4 plus 2 sin square cos square plus sin raised to 4. Okay. Now what is this? But if you look at this neatly, it is cos square the whole square plus 2 sin square cos square plus sin square the whole square, right? It means a plus b the whole square, because it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is cos square plus sin square theta, basically everything theta the whole square. But what is cos square plus sin square? 1. Okay, so 1 square is 1. So answer is 1. That's what is required. Therefore L square m square into L square plus m square plus 3 bracket close equals to 1. That is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sink behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.